friends, today we're talking about scarecrows. We have one paper that tells us all the different parts, and then we have another paper where it has you put all the names to each part. So let's talk about this one. First we have the hat, the patch, the grass, the straw, the overalls, and the wooden post. So you're welcome to color this and decorate it any way you like. On this one, it says label the scarecrow. It has the same names: patch, hat, straw, grass, overalls, and wooden post. On this one, you're going to cut on the lines. You're going to cut on these lines, and you're welcome to use this one to finish this one. You're going to take each one. So patch, you'd find the patch and where the arrow is and put it here. You use your glue stick. For hat, you'll find where the hat goes, right in here, and use your glue stick and stick it there. Finish all of these in the different squares. This is good for language development, identifying names. Have fun with it. Then you're going to make your own scarecrow. Right now it has nothing on there. So think about what you saw on these scarecrows that you can put on this one. Get out your pencil box. Use any colors you like. I like the bright colors. So let's see, he can have orange eyes. Because he's a scarecrow, he can have anything he wants. And let's give him a triangle-shaped nose and a big blue smile. Let's give him a purple hat. Decorate it any way you want. Crayons, markers. You can use fabric you find around the house or tissue paper or any other paper you find around the house. You can give him some patches. You can make circles. You can make triangles, upside down, any way you want, any way you want. This is your project. And you can color it in any way you want. If you need a little help with this, that is fine. Use your imagination, use your brain power. Decide what you would like. This is how I'm decorating mine. You can decorate yours any way you like. Let's give him a little straw coming out of his sleeves, out of his pant legs. Maybe he has a little bit of holes. Sometimes scarecrows do. If you want, you can draw a little birdie, maybe a little crow bird. There's a little crow sitting on his shoulder. Anything you want to do. Have fun with it, enjoy, and just get to know those words. Have fun, friends. Bye.